Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today is a very exciting day for the Velocicoasters because the construction walls are down. This is a huge step forward, and we are so much closer to the grand opening of the Velocicoaster. Today, we're going to be going on Twitter, and we're going to be checking out some of these pictures of the construction walls being down for ourselves, and we are also going to be looking at some test footage that I got from last week's visit to Universal Studios. I have not been able to edit that video and post it until now. Today, you're going to be seeing a lot of testing footage, and of course, what we see on Twitter from the construction walls being down, and tomorrow we are going to be posting the full video from last week's trip to Universal Studios where we visited Mardi Gras during the week, so you guys can get a quick look at that. But enough of that, let's go ahead and hop on over to Twitter over here. We're going to be going on to the Orlando Informer Twitter page, so go ahead and give them a follow. Let them know that Theme Park Express sent you guys if you do give them a follow. We're going to be coming up over here, and it's absolutely beautiful. It is absolutely gorgeous, and being able to get so close to the tracks over here, scroll on over, you finally get a look at the first launch and the second launch into the top hat over there. That is absolutely insane. It just looks absolutely gorgeous. And I'm sure, you know, Orlando Informer, they have really nice, really big, expensive cameras that they can use to get pictures with such quality, both in image quality and in colors. It looks absolutely fantastic. You can see a bunch of construction workers down there as well, doing whatever they need to do to the attraction. We also have, scrolling up over here, a video of the Velocicoaster testing. Let's go ahead and make this just a little bit bigger. And yeah, you can see them coming on up over to the walls, and it is just all the walls are down. All the construction walls are gone, and you can get a clearer look. You can walk right up to it and watch the Velocicoaster testing. That is absolutely gorgeous. We're going to go ahead and escape out of that. We're going to scroll on up here. So not only are the construction walls down, but we also have some brand new Velocicoaster merch. Check out that shirt. That is actually a really nice shirt, and you can see over here on the sleeve it says Grand Opening 2021. We still don't have a precise grand opening date yet, but I'm sure Universal Studios will be announcing that very, very soon. You can see the Velociraptor blue is the front and center of that shirt. Scrolling on over here, we also have some Velocicoaster mugs with some of the elements on it: a 53 mile per hour barrel roll, inverted zero G roll, 70 mile per hour launch. They got the Velocicoaster, 80 degrees, 140 foot drop, 0 to 50 in 3 seconds. That would, I assume, be the first launch. And you can see we got some more Velociraptors over here on the other side of the mug. That looks absolutely awesome. We also have some bro tanks over here, and it looks like a women's tee of the Velocicoaster logo. This looks really, really cool. Let me know. We're going to be heading out to Universal Studios tomorrow. Would you guys want to see a giveaway of some of this merchandise? Let me know down in the comment section below of this video. And it looks like we also have a shot glass over here of what could go wrong. And you guys probably noticed that I am actually rocking one of the newer pieces of Velocicoaster merchandise, the What Could Go Wrong, and you got the Velocicoaster down there at the bottom. Sorry, you just gotta look at my chest. That was a very good look at my chest, but it's also annual pass holder exclusive shirt. So if you guys want a giveaway of this shirt as well, not precisely this shirt, but when I go to Universal Studios tomorrow, if you guys want a giveaway of that shirt as well, we can do 2 shirt giveaways in tomorrow's video if you guys are wanting that. So just let me know down in the comment section below if you guys are interested in that. But yeah, you can see they went over there and the coaster was testing. No water dummies on this particular train that was going through, but my God, that looks absolutely incredible. Some beautiful shots coming out of the Velocicoaster area today. I'm taking a picture of a trash can over there, and we have another shot of the Velocicoaster testing over here. Let's go ahead and rewind this and get a closer look at it, and it's not, that's the best look that we've gotten in such a long time of the Velocicoaster. And you can see, you get a clear look at the first launch right over here. That's where the coaster launches and it heads into its first inversion before coming into the second one, and it kind of coasts through this rest of the track over here when you're in the Raptor paddock, and then it comes down over here, and then it hits that 70 mile per hour launch into the top hat. You can see it go right through over there, and oh, that sound. the sound of the coaster hitting that launch and going 70 miles an hour up to that top hat is absolutely incredible. So, yeah, what other merchandise we have over here? We got more teeth, the Velocicoaster shirt. Not entirely interested in that shirt, but I'm sure other folks will be. Another Velocicoaster shot glass over there. And we got some pins over here with some grand opening on it. Looks like we got some lanyards, some socks even with the description of the ride as well. So we got some more pins. Universal is getting themselves ready for the Velocicoaster opening. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. We're gonna cut on over to some testing footage that I got last week. I really hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you guys are interested in a t-shirt giveaway when I go to Universal Studios tomorrow. You guys will be seeing that video from tomorrow on Thursday, most likely. So anyways, enough talk from me. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I will see you guys in the next one. Let's get on over to some testing footage.